Hey there guys, it's Tony from Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we are doing a concrete cleaning of someone's backyard in the Central Valley area. As you can see here, we are using our 20-inch Whisper washer. Say that 10 times fast. We are doing a basic concrete cleaning. We have already previously laid down our chemical solution, which is going to help brighten up the surfaces while also killing any mold, mildew, and algae on the surface as well. With these larger backyard areas, we like to do them in sections. So you can see here that I'm doing a small section at a time, doing the outlines, and then going back and forth with the surface cleaner. Right here, the customer also asked if we can just clear out and wash this entryway to the backyard. There's a little bit of dust bunnies, some mold, mildew, and algae up on the roof and the side of the walls. We're not using high pressure here on the walls because it is stucco. We don't want to damage the Right there, we can see that we rinsed and then laid our chemical solution down on the walls, let it dry, let it sit there, let it get soaked in. The trick with these fans is to go around them, never point directly at them. Also, you want to make sure that you're rinsing down the windows. Right here, there's also a fridge after you apply your chemical solution, just to make sure it doesn't stain. Now we are starting on the larger patio area of the backyard. Again, we're doing little sections bit by bit, going slow to make sure every stain, piece of dirt, whatever's on the concrete is being cleaned. We're going to head out to the other side where the back gate is. Right here, you can also see that there's a bunch of little pieces of dirt, debris, leaves, trash. We had asked the owner if they could sweep up the debris. They said that they don't really care about it, so we just kind of used our resurface cleaner to push it away. Later on, we swept it all up just to make sure that everything was looking beautiful. Here, we're continuing with that larger backyard area with the table in the middle of it. Again, we're outlining. Look at the surface cleaner. You can see all that dirt being lifted off of the concrete. We love to see that's very satisfying. The customer was very happy with their job. Give us 5 stars on our Google reviews. Make sure to take a look at that at aquacleansingpressurewashing.com. Again, this is Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.